One of the really cool things about kitchen scraps is that they don't all just have to get tossed into the trash, put down the garbage disposer, or added to the compost pile. Many people aren't aware of it, but there are many scraps that can be regrown into new plants with just a little time and basic gardening supplies. So take a quick look at some of the most commonly grown plants that can be started from scraps. Next time, maybe you won't be so quick to get rid of them. 1. Celery. To regrow celery, cut the base of the stalk off and place in a dish or bowl of fresh water, making sure not to fully submerge. Place in a warm, sunny windowsill and wait for new shoots to emerge. After the sprouts appear, it's safe to plant the celery into potting soil, covering everything but the new leaves. After the stalks regrow, remove what you need to cook with, leaving the roots in the soil. 2. Romaine lettuce. Really similar to celery, romaine lettuce is easy to regrow. Take the bottom heart and place it in a container of water, covering the base of the heart. You can start eating new leaves as soon as they appear, or move the plant to a potted container or sunny spot in the garden. Remove the outer leaves, leaving the innermost ones to keep the plant growing. 3. Potatoes. Once your potatoes have started to sprout in the pantry, there's no need to pitch them. They're right where you want them if you'd like to try growing your own. Cut them into 2 to 3 inch pieces, making sure there are a couple of eyes on each piece. Allow them to sit out and dry for a few days, and then plant into containers or the garden. 4. Tomatoes. Many people buy tomato plants when planting their gardens in the spring, but tomatoes are actually quite easy to grow from seed. Cut a ripened or even slightly over-ripened tomato into slices, about 1/4 inch thick, and lay the cut side down on some fresh potting soil. Cover lightly with more soil and wait for the seeds to sprout. When seedlings get big enough, transplant them to containers of the garden. 5. Garlic. Garlic is really easy to grow and can be done from just 1 clove. When you buy garlic, you get several cloves, so just pull one off and plant it with the roots facing down in potting soil. Garlic likes plenty of direct sunlight, so in warmer weather, keep it outdoors in the sun during the day. Once you notice that new shoots have established, cut the shoots back and your plant will produce a bulb. You can take part of this new bulb and plant again. 6. Onions. Onions are very easy to grow indoors or out. You just have to cut the root of the onion off and make sure you leave about 1/2 inch of onion when you do. Cover lightly with potting soil and keep in a sunny area and water is needed.